Welcome to my channel Best GIS Tutorial. I remind you that in previous lecture I show you how to download the latest land use land cover data from Esri. So you can see that I download this file. I also show you in previous lecture that how to download this data. Now I will show you in GIS that how to prepare land use land cover map from this data. So first go to your folder, download. Here is the file which we download in the Esri Impact Observatory website. So cut it from here and go to folder. And paste the file here. Now open the GIS software and add this data. So go to add data and add the image, just that one. So click on no. Now here you can see that. Now again go to add data and add the shapefile of study area. Also add the shapefile. You can see that we add the shapefile of our study area. Now go to our toolbox and go to Spatial Analysis tool and Extraction tool, extraction by masks. And OK. Now it's done. With table of content, uncheck this and zoom to layer. Now go to properties, change the color ramp or classified. Classify it into 5 or 6 classes. 5 classes. Okay. Apply. Click on OK. Now you can click on that one. So you can see that it classified into 5 classes. Here is the water bodies. You can see that this is the water and this is the vegetation area, and here is the build-ups. Red color show in build-up area. So it's the barren land. By this way you can prepare land use land cover map from the data which I show you that how to download it. So I hope you will learn that how to download the land use land cover latest data and will prepare the land use land cover map in GIS software. Thank you.